Hello guys! So, today I'm driving from Los Angeles to San Diego. Soon I'm going to be close to San Diego and I'm going to show you the border with Tijuana, Mexico, yeah? I'm driving on I-215 going south from Riverside, Los Angeles to San Diego. It's early morning, but the roads are not so early. I started actually at 3:30 in the morning. I was in Las Vegas and I drove all the way down to Los Angeles. And when I reached Los Angeles, it was 6 in the morning. Now it's 7:30, and I passed through Los Angeles on my way to San Diego, California. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, press the notification bell, because you're going to see the Tijuana border. You're going to see the wall. Yeah. I took this load from Calgary, from Canada, but I didn't have much hours left to drive, so I had to do a reset on the way. I did a reset in Las Vegas, but I wasn't able to record anything because I was not actually in the city. I passed Las Vegas. I was like 20 minutes away from Las Vegas. And I'm hurrying up because I'm one day late because of my reset. I didn't have hours. I drove on Labor Day. Today is Wednesday, and yesterday I did a reset. Yeah, from Labor Day afternoon until this morning, Wednesday morning, yeah? And now I'm putting the pedal to the metal because I don't want to be late again. It wasn't my fault, but it is what it is, yeah? This is trucking. Some delays are happening. But, like I said, it is what it is, yeah? Yeah. So, crowded day in Los Angeles. And in San Diego, it will be the same, I think. My trucking GPS shows me that in 6 miles I will have 19 minutes of delay again. Not nice. Delays over delays. So we are going to Mexico. So not really, but I'll be 1 feet away from Mexico, yeah? Again, Tijuana. I think that's a dangerous city. Comment down below, please, if you know if Tijuana, Mexico is a dangerous city or not. Yeah. Ooh, I would like another coffee. When I'm going to arrive, for sure I'm going to go and check in to the receiver, and then I'm going to make myself a coffee. Oh, easy boy. Putting the pedal to the metal. Go! California, Plaico foi. California. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the salute you. Bye.